You can prune it, you can cut it, you can again grow it, and they grow easily and faster again and again. The more you prune it, more they grow. So this is the wonderful plant, money plant, very famous among YouTubers also, and such a wonderful permanent plant, easy to grow plant, indoor plant, such a decorative plant. So grow it faster this way. Watch until the end. I will be sharing you many tips of growing money plant faster. Grow them in any pot, any mug, any size of mug they will fit in. These jars, coffee jars, so add them into any size of pot. Give them the right sunlight, water and soil. You will see such a wonderful growth of this money plant. Here I have my money pothos in a small pot. Here I have it in a coffee mug. Here I have my money pothos in water propagated in small jars, and here I have a large one growing here in my home, and it's so beautiful. Money plants like the indirect filtered sunlight to grow beautifully. You can easily grow them in well draining soil. To plant these you need 1/3 of garden soil, 1/3 of compost and sand, and at the beginning you can put the cuttings in river sand soil so that they grow very fast. So the first tip is to give them indirect filtered sunlight for them to grow fast, and the second thing is well draining soil. So grow faster these plants with one leaf, and that is also possible, but see to this small root appearing in the stem, that is very important, and keep only the root part in water and you will see the absolutely growing money plant in water. And you can leave it as it is for a couple of days, and after that you can put them in soil too. So these plants are wonderful indoor plants, decorative plants, so they grow fast in water. This money plant is in an ample pot, very spacious one, and it's growing really well with a moss stick homemade. And here I have another small money plant under my lily plant, and it is also in a small pot. Marble queen money pothos is in another pot. It is also not so big. You can use any fertilizer of your choice. I give 50% of milk and 50% of water in a cup once in a while. So that is the fertilizer I use. So when keeping money plants indoors, you'll have to keep them fresh and live. So you can sprinkle some water from top to bottom, or you can spray the plant leaves, and by doing that these leaves will get clean up and it will look so fresh. So I hope you find this video very useful and informative. If you have any questions, do comment below in the comment section, and if you are new, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be uploading videos based on my garden, and all are my personal experience in gardening. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another video. Thank you.